ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. You can add animations to your ShareFactory text. So go to text animation in the text menu and you can add animations to beginning, middle or ending. So choosing the beginning to start with, you've got 11 animation options here, and if you just stop on whichever one, you will see it will show you what it looks like if you were to choose that option. So you can just go down, have a little look at them and just choose which one you want. If you choose one, you just push the X to confirm it and that will add it. If you go back up to the top, you can select none and that won't give an animation at all. Once you're happy, you just push the X button on whichever one you confirm and that will add the animation to the beginning of the text. Then you can go to middle animation and you've got 8 options to choose from in this option here. Same again, if you just stay on it, it will show you what the animation will look like. So you can just choose whichever one you want. You've got bounce, marquee, wave, spin. Again, you can choose no animation if you want to. And then lastly, we've got the ending animation, and you've got similar sort of options as the beginning. It's just sometimes the opposite. Again, hover on it if you want to. Now do note that different animations take longer, so it might be that you have to extend how long the text is on screen for the animation to complete. So you're going to have to change the duration sometimes depending on which animations you use. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.